Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Diana Putri Meirinda, and in this video I'm gonna tell you about the learning foundation. The title is The Pervasiveness of Instructional Technology. Okay, now we're gonna talk about the technology, media, and learning. What is technology, media, and learning? Learning is the development of new knowledge, skill, or attitude as an individual interact with information and knowledge. And instruction is the presentation of material for learning. And media or medium is means communication and search of information. And they are 6 type basic category media in learning. They are text, visual, manipulative, audio, motion media, and people. Okay, and then we're gonna talk about the roles of technology and media in learning. Technology and media can serve many roles in learning. The instruction maybe depends on the presence of a teacher or instructor directed. And here there are some way how to give instruction. They are instruction directed learning, learners directed learning, portfolios, thematic instruction, and distance education. Next, I'm gonna give you the methods of instruction. The methods of instruction is divided into 2 types. There is student-directed method and teacher-directed method. Student-directed method, there are discussion, cooperative learning, gaming, simulation, discovery, and problem solving. And while the teacher-directed method, there is a presentation, demonstration, drill, and practice tutorial. Okay, now we move to the technology. The word of technology has always had a variety of connotation, ranging from mere hardware to ways solving problems. Technology being a process is highlighted in the definition of instructional technology given by the leading professional association in that field, the theory and practice of design, development, utilization, management, and evaluation of process and research for learning. When technology to processes to enhance learning, we will call them instructional system. All instructional systems consist of a set of interrelated components that work together efficiently and reliably within the particular framework to provide learning activity necessary to accomplish a learning goal. Examples include cooperative learning, simulation, and program instruction. Okay, now we're gonna move to the chapter 2 in this part. There is instructional system. What is instructional system? An instructional system refers to a set interrelated system that work together to accomplish the learning goal. The components of all instructional systems include objective or content to be learned, methods or the procedure of instruction, media or source of information, equipment, a learning environment, and people. Next, the characteristic of an instructional system. There is 6 characteristics in instructional system. There is direction, class 5, synchronization, group size, location, and times. Okay, now the method of instructional system. The method in instructional system there is cooperative learning, game, simulation, discover, problem solving, presentation, demonstration, drill and practice, and tutorial. And the activities that we can give to our student, there is case study, conference, brainstorming, self-study, panels, coaching, reading, project, lecture, debate collaboration, or cooperative learning. And next is the Azure model. What is Azure model? Azure model is a procedural guide for planning and delivering instruction that incorporates media. Assume that training or instruction really is required. Or the Azure model is a guide to the major steps in instructional planning. The Azure model provides a systematic process for creating learning experience. Okay, we're gonna see in this slide, the Azure model actually stands for A. Analyze learner, S. State objective, S. Select method, media, and material, U. Utilize media and material, R. Require learner participant, and E. Evaluate and revise. Okay, now I'm gonna explain one by one what is in the Azure model. Number one is analyze learner. The first step to planning is to identify the learner, general characteristics, specific entry competencies, and learning style. Number two is state objective. In the state objective, we should be specific. State term of what student will be able to do include the condition and degree of acceptable performance. And the objective may be derived from a needs assessment or a course syllabus, state in the textbook, taken from curriculum guide, or developed by the instructor. And number three is select method, media, and material. In this step, we're gonna decide on appropriate method. Choose suitable format, select available material, modifying existing material, and design the new material. Okay, number four is utilize material. To get maximum learning impact from your presentation, you must follow certain utilization procedure. First, you should review the material, practice the presentation, prepare the environment, prepare the audience, and the last, you present. Okay, number five, require learner participant. The fifth step in the Azure model is to provide opportunity for learner to practice the capability being taught. Educators have long realized that participation in the learning process by the learner enhances learning. And the last is evaluate and revise, the final component of our Azure model for effective learning. Most frequent type of evaluation in the paper and pencil test, and the most frequent type of purpose is to measure student. Okay, that's my presentation about this material. Thank you so much for watching my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a nice day everyone.